Hi everyone, today with me I have the OVENTE multi-purpose hand blender, and I was absolutely stunned of how much you can use this in the kitchen. So first of all, let's talk about the base itself. It has two buttons, which is the dual speed function. The top one is for low and the bottom one is for high, so make sure you click at the correct one whenever you're blending. And they have three interchangeable attachments. The first one is the whisk. You also have the hand blender itself, and then you also have the slicing blade. Now this is awesome if you don't like to cut onions by hand like I do. You can just put the onions in here and put the base on top and blend that up, and it's going to chop it in seconds. It is also 600 milliliters or 2.5 cups big, so it does fit quite a lot. And lastly, they also send you this cup too, so you can blend things in there if you would like. This one is 3 cups big or 24 ounces. To attach, it is super easy. Watch this. So for example, I have the whisk attachment right here. I'm going to insert it into the blade and twist. I'm going to feel a click when it's twisting, and there it is. It's nice and set and ready to go. To remove it, you're just going to twist the opposite way and it pops right out. It is super easy and definitely a useful tool to have. So check this out on Amazon. It is the best hand blender out there right now.